You don't need a degree to start a digital marketing career. I'm Chris, and I've been in the digital marketing industry for 4+ years now, and I help beginners land 60K a year digital marketing jobs without any prior experience or education needed. And I want to quickly go through why you don't need a degree and how learning online will fast track you to getting a digital marketing job faster than going through a traditional route like college. I personally got a marketing degree from a university, and even though I met good teachers, cool students, I know that if I were to learn everything online through a organized manner, I would have been able to land a digital marketing job a lot faster and with less money involved. So starting off is that you don't need a degree to get hired. A lot of marketing jobs, employers, they know that the skills that are needed for digital marketing jobs today will not be taught in university in college because those curriculums cannot keep up with the speed and the pace of which the digital marketing landscape is changing. All these AI tools, all these updates to all these ad platforms are too fast. So the only way to actually learn is to either learn them online, connect with other marketers that are working in present time using the tools that are available, and a degree does not showcase any of those abilities. So you don't need a degree to get hired. Companies care more about the skills than anything else. And like I said, most marketing degrees don't cover any real world skills like paid ads or AI. And at the end of the day, employers are going to care about proof over what papers that you have. So you just want to show the results that you're able to bring. Second, portfolio over paper. So creating a one-page portfolio, either using Notion or Card, is going to be way more valuable to employers than a standard degree. And this portfolio can include small projects like mock ads, email sequences, landing pages, anything along those lines related to the digital marketing job that you're trying to go for. And you are showing what you can do, not what you studied. Third, freelance, do free work, and get real experience. So you can easily reach out to small businesses offering help for free or for cheap. That's what I did. I was able to get multiple digital marketing gigs from local businesses, helping them with Facebook ads, building out their website, doing e-commerce for them on Shopify and Amazon. And I was able to leverage that and use that into my portfolio, which helped me land a marketing job. So you can have redoing a bad ad, a website as a mock case study, get testimonials, screenshots, and stats to stack your proof. I do recommend that you add data, numbers, what you did, how it improved what metrics. Even if it was a do-it-yourself mock campaign, for example, you still want to add specific numbers that you can either simulate through ChatGPT or AI, or if you ran a campaign for yourself, you can still add those numbers. Either way, you want to show the employer that you're data-driven and you're analytical, and that is by showing specific numbers and how the actions that you've implemented affected those numbers. 4, curiosity wins. You want to be obsessed with learning. Digital marketing landscape is always changing, and it's going to be even faster now from 2026 and beyond. So you always want to be on top of everything cutting edge. Be obsessed with learning. Follow brands you like, reverse engineer their marketing, follow different content creators, different digital marketers, see what they're up to, see what they're doing, see what they talk about. And then always ask, why did this work? How can I try it myself? So as long as you have that curiosity mindset, you'll be doing fine in digital marketing. 5, use online courses and coaches. These are the new schools. So platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, Coursera, and mentors online teach real skills in real time. So I know some people might think, oh yeah, online courses, they're not worth it. They don't have good value. But as technology progresses, more and more education will become online. And personally, for myself, I've been involved with multiple different online communities, online courses, and a good amount of them have been very valuable, have taught me digital marketing skills that I'm able to apply today in real time. And you're able to network and connect with other like-minded people. So just being able to learn online nowadays is one of the best things to ever happen in this century. Learn Facebook ads, Google search, SEO, email, analytics, any of that. You could find courses, a community to learn from. And don't just get stuck on learning only. It's pretty easy to do that. You need to be applying and building as you go. So as you're learning, make sure you're building your portfolio, your LinkedIn, applying what you've learned. That's what's going to make it actually real and valuable. 6, LinkedIn plus AI are the top tools. So LinkedIn is where you show off your skills, get discovered by recruiters, and apply for jobs. So if you don't have a LinkedIn, you need to get on there ASAP. You just have to make sure your profile is optimized, solid, clean profile picture, banner, good words that are sprinkled within your profile, your bio, your work experience, all of that. And on LinkedIn, you can post value, share different things, ideas that you've come across, share your projects, and over time, just optimize your profile to attract attention from recruiters, employers. And using different AI tools, there's so many different digital marketing AI tools coming out, but just making sure that you're efficient with ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, different AI tools like that just helps speeding up the learning, improving writing, and optimizing your whole workflow in digital marketing. That's going to be the future of digital marketers, is being able to use these different AI tools to the best of their abilities. These are now the top platforms and tools to help you build credibility and execute faster. So don't sleep on the AI tools and don't sleep on LinkedIn. Use AI to build faster, research smarter, and stand out from the crowd. Because while some people are not using AI, not using these LLMs because they're either demonizing it or they think it's too complicated, you want to be able to use it to the best of your ability and squeeze as much out of these AI tools as you can, because they're becoming more powerful. And as you learn them, they'll be easier to understand and implement. Posting content on LinkedIn to get noticed. And yeah, that just helps you connect with different recruiters, marketers, founders, employers. LinkedIn definitely is the top spot, in my opinion, for landing a digital marketing job. And a quick summary is you don't need a degree to start a digital marketing career. You just need proof, curiosity, and consistency. So just build a solid portfolio, learn the skills that matter, use AI, and connect with the right people. So start messy, just start doing the actions, learning, putting in the work, and then after that, the job comes after the action. Hope you guys found that valuable. If you want my free blueprint on how a beginner can land a 60K a year digital marketing job in 90 days, check out my website down in the link below, chriswin.com, and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And that's all. See you guys on the next one.